Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to make the text in a Google Sheets spreadsheet vertical like this. So as you can see, we have a table about the US states and their population, and as you can see the text here is vertical. So how we can make the text vertical for more states? So all we have to do is select the text we want to make vertical. Then once we have selected the cells, all we have to do is go to the format in the menu bar, click on that, and you're going to see a rotation here, and you can rotate down the text or you can stack the text vertically. So as you can see, now the text is vertical in our cell. We can reformat it so it looks better, but all in all, this is how you can make the text vertical in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets shortcut keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.